Today I'm going to show you how to install itch.io games on Android step by step, even if you've never sideloaded an app before. Since itch.io doesn't work like the Google Play Store, the process is a little different, but once you understand it, it's actually very simple. You'll learn how to allow installs from your browser, how to find Android-compatible games on itch.io, and how to download and install the APK safely on your phone. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Android how-to guides. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is enable Install Unknown Apps on your Android device. Android blocks apps from outside the Play Store by default, and that's normal because it helps protect your phone. To change this, open the Settings app on your phone, then go to Apps and look for Special App Access. On some devices, this option may be inside an advanced section, so if you don't see it right away, just keep looking through the app settings. Once you find it, tap Install Unknown Apps. This menu lets you choose which apps are allowed to install APK files. Now select the browser you use most often, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Samsung Internet. After that, toggle Allow from this source to On. This gives your browser permission to install the game file when you download it. It's important to only enable this for the app you actually use, and you can turn it off again later if you want to stay extra secure. Now that your phone is ready, the next step is finding a game on itch.io that actually works on Android. Not every itch.io game is made for mobile, so this step matters a lot. Open your mobile browser and go to itch.io. From there, use the site's filters to narrow things down. Look for games and then choose platform, Android if that filter is available. This will help you find games that are designed for Android devices instead of Windows, Mac, or browser-only builds. When you open the game page, look carefully for the Android logo, usually shown as the little robot icon. That icon is your confirmation that the game is compatible with Android. If you don't see Android support listed, don't assume it will work because many itch.io games are made for other platforms only. Once you find a game that says it supports Android, scroll to the download section and tap the download button. Your phone will start downloading an APK file, which is the Android installation file. Wait until the download is completely finished before doing anything else. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. When the download completes, you'll usually see a notification at the top of your screen. Tap Open from that notification to begin installation right away. If you accidentally miss the notification, don't worry at all. Just open your Files app or Downloads app, find the APK file you just downloaded and tap it manually. Your phone will then bring up a security prompt asking if you want to install this application. This is the normal Android install screen, so tap Install to continue, wait for the installation to finish, and once it's done, you'll see an option to open the game or tap Done if you want to launch it later. If you choose Open, the game should start immediately. If you tap Done, you can find it later in your app drawer like any other app. And that's it. You've successfully installed an itch.io game on Android. Just remember the key steps. Allow installs from your browser, choose an Android-compatible game, download the APK, and install it from your device. If you want more simple tech tutorials like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.